Okay, guys, we are playing Attack of the Undead. It's Halloween themed, so it's good for us.
Halloween.
All the games love Halloween, even though
Yeah,
we,
it's
even though
actually
we,
the best. I actually really like Halloween.
yeah, even though we don't celebrate it because it's not a festival in our
I
country. But
used to
yeah,
celebrate it when I lived in US.
yeah. I've never celebrated Halloween.
Dude, like just the like I don't know, the atmosphere during Halloween. If you know what that means,
Yeah,
like it's like so spooky and all. Like it's good.
yeah. There are too many clouds.
No, like except the
Yeah,
clown part, just like the pumpkins and all that. Okay,
okay,
it's
not,
not us. It's not
not
us.
me.
Okay.
It's not me. Okay.
Yeah, I'm right behind you. So
Keep running. Don't go to. Okay, now you can go to the spot because guns. Remember last time you got sniped.
yeah, I remember.
Let's go to that the crane. Yeah, crane.
How did you go? Wait. How?
Magic,
Dude, how?
magic,
Dude, how? Please. Oh,
parkour. It's not that hard.
oh.
The who's shooting me? Dude, you
Oh,
don't know where I am, dude. Slayer. This is the best spot in the game. I accidentally found it.
I know the really good spot. I
Look
know
down, look down, look
downstairs.
down.
I know
I
downstairs.
fell down here by mistake. No, that's not the best.
Here,
Let's go
come
away.
here. Come with me. Come
There's
here.
the undead is here. I'm running. There are two undeads.
You can go under the map. Come with me.
Okay, they killed me, dude. I was running away from the undeads.
Okay. Oh no! Please no! Please.
Dude, three undeads charged me with their baseball bats. Why did they add baseball bats? I nearly
Uh.
became Batman.
Okay. Okay. I'm safe. I'm safe. No
No,
one
you're
can.
not.
Oh no. Okay then.
Dude,
Wow.
I was trying to get you. That guy stole my kill.
You guys followed me there.
Yeah, I did.
I feel betrayed. That's all I'm going to say now.
Dude, I tried to Batman you, but you ran away. Remember that day, Batman? Oh, that was
Uh,
Reaper. Yeah, that was Reaper, not you.
yeah, that is. I have no recollection. Oh yeah, I remember now.
I was like, I jumped on him and like knifed him. It was literally Batman.
Dude, here's the funny thing about the way I died. I was like, I'm safe here. I'm safe here. As soon as he said no, you're not, I died.
Yeah, I told you. Like, me and the other guy rushed you, but that guy stole my kill. This is
That
too
actually
short.
scared me. I thought I was finally safe. That too, some guy was chasing me. I don't know why he couldn't kill me, but well,
He was chasing you because he didn't like you.
what? Oh,
Yeah, that guy.
yeah.
He was only focused on you. How
No,
is the
no, like I
how is the
stumbled.
sixth place guy ahead of me? He has no kills. Even the fourth place guy. This is outrageous.
Okay, let's do it again.
Wait, it's loading.
I don't know what is this.
Load. Okay, stop loading.
Dude, I don't know. Like this is the best game mode. Like,
Submit, yay.
nothing compares to it. You know the spot, right?
Yeah, of course. Actually, we
I
could get up on.
know
Let's
that
try to
spot.
get up on the rock. Remember? Yeah.
No, that's not the spot. Wait, what is the spot?
I know it's that. What's that called? I can't remember what's that
I
called.
think yeah, this is the spot. I'm at the spot. Come to my spawn and
Yeah.
I'm right.
I
Oh,
do.
you're really like towards the right.
Can you guys tell me what that thing is called in the comments? Cause I can't remember at all.
What?
The thing we usually go into. It's like
The
something
spawn.
with a C. Something with a C.
The spawn.
Oh, not this. It's that thing. It's
Go
that.
away.
It's that lift cart. Yeah, it's something like that. It's like a lift cart.
Yeah, it's the lift. Oh yeah, it's like
Yeah.
it appeared in a lot of movies that I have seen.
Yeah, in GTA 5, they had shown the name. I remembered it, but I can't remember now. Dude, we can't. We have to stay back now because that guy has a gun. We don't want to die with the gun.
Dude, I think okay.
He still has the gun.
Hey.
The undead has the gun.
I think standing here, no.
I'm gonna throw a flashbang at myself. Let's see what happens. I mean, I'll get blinded, of course.
What did it throw at yourself?
Flashbang.
Why would you even try that though?
It's fun.
Okay, well.
Actually, imagine getting flashbanged in real life. Hmm. Hmm. Imagine the guy is wearing like shades and he like it will block the flashbang.
And headphones, I guess.
Yeah, of course.
Bang.
And it will just be like a light, but a dark light. So
Did you know that there was this free draw, right?
wait,
I got a new emote from that.
which one? It's like that Mystique one from the
It's like I got it for free. Did you do that free draw? I think it's still there, but
I think I did it. Yeah, I already did it. I got a parachute skin.
that's not useless at all.
It is completely useless.
Well, it is useless, but it's better than the normal flash.
I'll just do a thumbs up. Imagine I get sniped to the top.
Dude,
Yeah,
there are 5 survivors left.
I know. 5v5.
Both
Now
are
it's
two of them.
4v6.
There are 4 now. See, we're the 2 survivors.
No one
left.
cares about us.
At least you're safe and not dead. Well, not undead.
This one.
Will they ever come?
Have you ever played a zombie game? Like,
Okay, I think they're going to come.
have
from
you
the
ever
left.
played a proper zombie game? Proper.
No, like there have been leaks of either Warzone mobile or zombie mode. I hope both of them come though. Honestly,
Yeah.
because both of them
Yeah,
would be,
guys. Yeah, nice.
they both would be extremely fun.
Yeah.
Dude, there is a new. Which site are you using on your
Phone.
chopper?
Chopper. Skin. Sight. Oh, sight. Yeah, I'm using the red dot. I know that handlebar is there. I remember.
That's better, I guess. That's actually
The handlebar does not give you sights. It's like the
it's the original chopper.
it's a foregrip. Yeah, it's like the foregrip.
But the accuracy and all is better, I think. The movement speed.
Yeah,
and
because
all.
it's a foregrip.
Yeah. Okay, all the 3 of us are here.
Yeah, they're gonna rush us. Got one.
Hey.
I'm gonna reload. I had emptied it a bit. Okay, reload done.
I had lost.
He's
4
here, he's here.
Okay. Oh, I didn't even.
Just hide behind the shield so that you don't get tomahawked.
I think here is the best.
Yeah. Where are you again? No, that's it. Okay.
There, like.
They're coming from the left.
Okay.
Run. A bit. Yeah, there's no shield.
Oh wait, there is a guy right.
Okay. Oh.
Well.
Oh, I got 2 kills. Double kill.
Wow. Well, that's fair.
Okay. Oh wow, this is a perfect shielding. Oh, I got triple.
Hey, okay then. Well.
Dude, okay, why did I jump across the shield? No, there are guys.
Hey, I think I'll never
More
get
side, buddy. Okay. You're not even getting a trip mine kill, I'm guessing. Is there anyone? Okay, run backwards again.
Oh, low ammo. I'm reloading.
Okay,
There's a guy trying to tomahawk.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I dodged it. I think. Oh, it landed right beside me, dude. He rushed us. He's rushing. Okay, I blind fired. Thank God for blind fire. I got baseballed. I got batted.
Oh no, I died. No, I got axed.
Yeah, you got an someone asked you a question.
Well,
they battered me, dude.
You have said that joke 2 times.
Yeah.
In the last 4 games.
4 games. Why am I stuck? Okay. I'm gonna be Batman. I'm gonna jump on him. I'm gonna be Batman.
Okay, wait. I'll die here. I couldn't put down the whatever.
Sentry gun is annoying. I hate.
No. I think I can snipe him with my extremely good sniping skills.
Ah, you're here. Okay, I know where you are.
No. Okay. I don't know why I said but
I got him, but he's high on health, which is kind of obvious. He stole my kill. We won. He stole. No, I was alive.
Oh, you still aren't. You're undead.
I mean, I was. Yeah, I was breathing. Yeah, let's just say that.
You should use the axe in this. The range is far better than.
Do you have the axe? I don't. So.
Well, I have it, so
Yeah.
no. I think the challenge is still there, but I don't know.
It's I don't know. I'll just check later. How are these guys much higher? I think I got like quadruple kills at one.
You're higher than me, to be fair.
Yeah, I guess.
That's a win. Do your outro.
Yeah, let me just exit. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Goodbye.